Imagine a garden bursting with fresh vegetables, vibrant flowers, and cascading greenery, all within arm's reach. This is the magic of vertical gardening, a revolutionary approach that transforms ordinary spaces into extraordinary edible displays. In a world where space is often a luxury, vertical gardening provides an ingenious solution, maximizing every inch for cultivation. Get ready to discover the joys of growing your food, enhancing your surroundings, and embracing a greener lifestyle, one vertical plot at a time. Vertical gardening, in its essence, is the art of cultivating plants on upright surfaces. Unlike traditional gardening that sprawls horizontally, vertical gardening utilizes vertical space, mimicking nature's propensity to grow skyward. Picture verdant walls adorned with cascading strawberries, herbs reaching for the sun in repurposed shoe organizers, and succulent tapestries gracing fences. This innovative method transcends the limitations of traditional gardening, offering a plethora of options for growing a diverse range of plants. From compact herbs and leafy greens to vibrant flowers and even vine-ripened tomatoes, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Vertical gardening employs various structures, including trellises, hanging planters, living walls, and repurposed pallets, transforming them into fertile canvases for your green creations. This technique breathes life into unused spaces, turning balconies, walls, fences, and even rooftops into thriving ecosystems. Whether you seek to maximize limited space, create a stunning visual focal point, or simply infuse your surroundings with nature's vibrancy, vertical gardening presents an exciting and rewarding endeavor. Vertical gardening offers a multitude of benefits beyond its visual appeal, making it a practical and sustainable choice for all gardeners. First, it maximizes space in urban environments. Balconies become bountiful oases, walls transform into edible masterpieces, and fences come alive with greenery. Improved airflow reduces fungal diseases, promoting healthier growth. Tasks like watering and harvesting are easier with elevated plants. Enjoy gardening without the usual aches and pains. Section 4. Getting started. Your vertical garden journey begins. Embarking on your vertical gardening journey is an exciting endeavor. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, selecting the perfect spot is crucial. Consider sunlight, accessibility, and aesthetics. Next, choose a structure based on space, plants, and budget. Options range from DIY pallets to living wall systems. Then, select the right growing medium. Soil-based mixes or soilless options like coco coir. Finally, introduce your chosen plants. Ensure proper spacing and water regularly. Section 5. Plant choices and care. Selecting and nurturing your vertical garden. Selecting the right plants is key to a thriving vertical garden. Opt for varieties that naturally thrive in confined spaces and complement each other's growth habits. Trailing plants like strawberries and nasturtiums cascade beautifully, while herbs like thyme and rosemary add fragrance and flavor. Lettuces, spinach, and kale are perfect for vertical gardens as they don't require deep soil. Cucumbers, tomatoes, and beans naturally climb, making them well-suited for vertical structures. Add a splash of color with vibrant flowers like petunias, marigolds, and zinnias. Regular care is essential. Water deeply and consistently, checking the moisture level of the growing medium. Fertilize regularly to replenish nutrients. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the vertical revolution. Vertical gardening offers a transformative approach to cultivating plants, turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary green havens. Whether you're an urban dweller with limited space or simply seek to maximize your gardening potential, vertical gardening presents an inspiring and rewarding solution. By embracing this innovative technique, you'll not only enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor, but also contribute to a greener and more sustainable lifestyle. Vertical gardens help purify the air, reduce your carbon footprint, and create a sense of tranquility and connection with nature. So why wait? Start your vertical gardening journey today and witness the magic of nature unfold right before your eyes, one vertical plot at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Happy gardening!